Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And
Alright, so now we're having breakfast here at Chocolate de Bateron. I made it French, but it's not. Very Filipino. This is still chocolate. I initially thought that it was going to be thick, but actually it's not. But how does it taste? It definitely has a different taste from any other chocolate. It tastes very fresh. And like there's no artificial, like it's straight cacao. It's very nice. And there's sort of like spices in there as well. Yeah. And it's almost like gritty, that at the back of your mouth or at the back of your tongue you can still taste the cacao. Next one is the cheesy bibingka. I'm sort of trying out every bibingka out there is. So let's try that one. Pretty good actually. We have chunks of cheese in there. It's really good. Very soft. Definitely fresh. And coconutty. It's cheesy, coconutty, and fresh. I like it. We are currently at La Trinidad, Benguet, at a strawberry farm. I just learned that Baguio is actually the strawberry capital of the Philippines. It grows well in this climate, and a lot of strawberries are also included in menus around restaurants here.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So there are other produce or products that are grown in these farms. There's actually lettuce, broccoli. What else did we see? Oh, look at my treacherous. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, a lot of greens, other green vegetables that are grown here. And it's actually not one big farm. The farm is actually owned by several groups or families. There's not just one owner. So like this section could be owned by one family, and then the next section is owned by another family. And so you buy you pick the strawberries and you buy it by the pound. It's actually the first time I've ever gone strawberry picking. And when you're here in Baguio, because strawberry is a big fruit, you just gotta do it. We are now at Tam-awan village, which is a native village, or sort of have become a historical landmark of the natives that lives or used to live prolifically in this area. I really like it so far. It's like you're in the jungle. Not really. It's very foresty. And look at how big the steps are for me. For the rest of my family, however, they're pretty tall. Not a problem. It's quite a nature walk. Lots of stairs. Although it's a little bit steep, it's not a big area to explore, but it is very refreshing up here. Oh, and these types of parks, I've noticed, allows pets, dogs. So cute. Even in the...
There's a coffee.
Oh, yeah. So there are coffee beans growing in this area. But yes, at Mirador, they allowed pets as long as they're leashed and they are in diapers. I love it. It's so nice in here. It really reminds me of Hawaii. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we're gonna keep on exploring. This was a nice, short, but uphill walk. You guys should visit. So now we are at the Stone Kingdom, which is actually just probably 60 meters from the Tam-awan village. This attraction actually is almost like a Disneyland. It was conceived and created from the mind of Pio Velasco. So basically, it's trying to showcase through the structure the rice terraces of the Philippines, as well as how an Igorot kingdom or castle would look like or should look like. Is it worth coming here? I really like the Tam-awan village so much more. I really enjoyed that historic landmark over this one. So now we're having lunch at Bakehouse. I'm so happy right now. I have been a fan of this shop, its owners, its products, since they first started. And now I'm here, I can't believe it. I ordered a whole bunch of things, including mains. I had their chicken tenders, which are actually pretty good. I boxed up the rest of the pastries, although I did set aside one. This is the cointreau flan croissant. Let's try it. I also met one of the baker owners, Danica. So sweet! Alright, trying it. It's almost like, or the style of it is almost like an egg tart, actually. You can definitely taste the cointreau. All the flavors, all the thickness are there. It's the warm. So good. It's so good. Really gooey. Doesn't disappoint. I'm even a bigger fan now. So we are at Burnham Park. It's a free park, sort of a greenery in the middle of the city. We found the rose garden, but it looks like the roses are still not in bloom. My goodness, there are so many fur babies everywhere we go. They are allowed in almost any park. I miss my baby boy. Last but not least, we are at the Botanical Gardens. We actually planned, kind of semi-planned, to visit here yesterday, but because of the heat and the long lines, we decided to just drop it. However, since it is New Year's Eve, there's hardly anybody here, so we just took advantage. It has been a long day of sightseeing today, but even though it was on the fly, we were able to squeeze in a lot of sights today. So I'm going to create a separate video for the New Year's Eve celebration. So this is a good place and time to end this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Just in a few hours for me, the next video for you. Thanks for watching.
Let's figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky